Okay, we're working on the types of video shots project. You are on page 3 of the directions, and we are looking at step 20, where you already created the title, formatted it as you wished, and made it 1 second long. And now you're on step number 21. And you should bring into Rush the video clip of the wide shot of two people walking from the side. So that would be this clip right here, two people that are going to walk across the floor. Their shoulders will stay to the side. And again, my project doesn't look like yours. I'm just doing individual clips. If we read the directions, it will say here that we need to edit this down to the best 5 seconds. Okay, we need to edit that down to the best 5 seconds and mute the clip. So let's do that part first. So I've got about an 11-second clip here. When I edit it down to the best 5 seconds, you'll notice at the beginning they're just kind of standing there. Okay, that's not the best 5 seconds. I want to get both of them. One of the people is walking, the other one is still not walking. So I want to get both of them. There they are. They're both walking right there. So I'm going to maybe do a little hide video. You can do the cut thing if you want to. Okay. And so I have them walking starting right here. And then I need to have them walk for a total of 5 seconds. Okay. I'm going to mute this before I do anything else. So I'm going to come over here to the audio over here and then just mute the clip. So then that way you don't have to hear anything and you want to do the same thing. So 5 seconds would be that I need to get it cut off about right here. Okay. And so I'm just going to hide mine again. If you want to cut yours off, you can. And so there you have it. I have now a 5 second clip of people just walking. Okay. And so that's the first thing that you're going to want to do. So if you go back to the directions, edit to the best 5 seconds, then apply the slow motion. And the slow motion is not going to be applied to the whole clip. It's only going to be applied at this one little location. So you need to make a cut 2 seconds into this 5 second clip, and you need to make a cut 3 seconds into this 5 second clip. And you're not going to delete anything, you're just going to make two cuts. So at about the 2 second mark, right there, I'm going to make a cut. And at around this 3 second mark, I'm going to make another cut. Okay, so again, if you go back to the directions, you made a cut at around the 2 second mark and a cut at around the 3 second mark. And then slow motion will be applied to only this middle portion of a clip. So this is the piece that slow motion will be applied to. So to do the slow motion, you select this middle clip, you come over here to this speedometer, and then here is the range of your speed. So if you want them to walk slower, okay, we're going to lengthen it out. And you're going to have to play with this a little bit to see what you actually want. And again, it's going to make the clip actually longer than it was, but you want it to be noticeably slower. So if I play starting right here, they're walking normal. Look at that. Look at them walk slow, slow, slow. And then they go back to a normal pace. So you see on this one, they're walking at this is at a 100% speed. This one I've reduced down to 36 or by 36%. If you don't think that's slow enough, then you bring this even slower. Do not readjust the length of this clip. This clip started out at 1 second in length. It's now no longer 1 second. And you'll notice that I now have a almost 7 second clip. Don't readjust it to get it back to 5 seconds. All you want to do is slow it down. When you slow it down, that lengthens the clip. Walk normal, walk slow, make it noticeably slower, and then walk normal. And that is how you complete step number 21. See, and it says that clip will end up longer than 5 seconds, and that's okay. Okay. And so that is how you complete step number 21.